What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about all sorts of different stocks that I'm going to be swing trading. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. It is much appreciated. Very happy with how well the support is recently. It's incredible, so thank you so much again. We're on 1,505 subscribers. That's what I've seen last time I checked. But anyway, also give this video a like. So before I do get into the video as well, I want to give a quick shout out to my friend's business. It's called Money Center on Instagram, so check it out on Instagram. The first 100 people get a free power pack. That power pack will also enable you to learn about finance a bit more if you guys need a bit more help on that, and learn about how you can make your money work for you better and all sorts. So check that out, it's worth a go. You'll be able to see some of the Instagram posts if it's for something you like. If not, then no worries, but I thought I'd give it a little shout out because it might interest some of you guys. So I want to get into some of the plays I ended up buying yesterday because I know you guys like to see that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have a look and show you the plays I ended up buying. So as you all know, I'm really into CCIV, Lucid Motors. I think it's an amazing stock, and as you can tell, I am now got 125 shares. So I bought a lot more today, well yesterday, and yeah, I'm up. It was up 7%, and I bought in just before it ran up. I bought in, like, you know where the dotted line is. So I bought in before it all did the run up and stuff, and I was debating, you know what, do I just wait until when the bell's going to be closing, then not buy straight away? Because a lot of people say don't buy straight away when the bell opens, when the market opens. And I do agree with that. It can also mean you buy at the highest point, but this time I actually bought at the cheapest point. So yeah, it's a very hard one to judge. To be honest with you, if you're long term, just buy it whenever. It doesn't really matter. There's no way you can time it. But I knew there would be a run up with CCIV, and there's also reasons for this, and I'm going to show you the reasons why this could also run up today. So as you can see on the screen right now, on the Lucid Motors Twitter page, you can see that CEO Peter Rowlinson speaks with Jim Cramer on Mad Money on CNBC to discuss Lucid Motors' progress and how the announcement to the merge with CCIV bolsters our mission. Tune in tomorrow, Lucid Air. So yeah, they're going on Mad Money on CNBC. So hopefully that boosts up the stock a bit more. We see some more information on CCIV. Put that on your radars. I bought some more shares with CCIV, so I definitely wanted to let you guys know that I have, and there. But now we're going to go into the play that I spoke about on Friday. I spoke about this stock on Friday, which is SOS. If you haven't checked it out, check out that video. You can see where I thought it was going to break out and all sorts, and I'm going to show you how I'm getting on with it. So SOS, I am up £67, I'm up 31%, and from the video, if I remember, I had a target of between 30 and 40%, and that's when I'm going to take profit. If you guys did end up going into that play, then well done to you guys, you've done really well. I would take profits now if you wanted to, but I'm actually going to keep going with this. I think it could break the all-time highs, so I'm going to be sticking with SOS. I wouldn't recommend it because you don't know exactly, so obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so don't go through with that completely. What we're going to do is we're going to go into some chart analysis for some of these stocks that I'm going to be swing trading, or I am swing trading right now. As you can see on the graph right now, we're on SOS, and we predicted this. We saw there was going to be a breakout any minute, and we've broken out, so that is amazing to see. But I want to also keep you guys updated, and the reasons why I'm actually not going to sell at the 30 to the 40% profit, but just saying, I definitely probably would recommend it if you're not too sure with this stock at all. I'll take your profits now, and I was going to originally do that, but now reevaluating it, I think we're going to see a bit more upside because, and these are the reasons why. If we look at the RSI on the daily, it was really overbought. Like, people were buying this like crazy back when it spiked massively, and if you compare that to there, we've got a long way to reach to that peak, and I've got a feeling we're going to be reaching around this area anyway, and if not going to the overbought. Also, if you look at the MACD, we're about to cross on the daily, not the 1 hour, not the 30 minutes, not the 10 or whatever it is, 15 minutes, on the daily. So that suggests that we could see a lot of upwards movement. Yeah, I really do think we're going to. We're starting to get a lot of volume in this stock again, which is awesome. And also, we're going to fill the gap here. I think we're going to fill the gap. We've got these gaps here that we ended up going to, which I said in the video on Friday, and I think we're going to end up filling this gap anyway. So if that's the case, from there to that gap is about 20%, so that's another 20% gain there. But I've got a feeling we're going to be breaking all-time highs. I'm not saying I don't know when, and that's the thing. If you're wanting to just get out now, take your profits, then probably do it. Maybe you could even wait for this gap to fill for another 20%, but obviously I'm not saying, I don't want you guys to completely follow me because I could be getting this completely wrong, but this is just my prediction. I'm also going to be talking about Zomedica. I don't know why, I swear I'd like do an African accent or something, and I don't mean to when I say Zomedica. Like slightly, it's weird. Anyway, I'm rambling on. So I'm in Zomedica. I've literally just done it again. I'm in Zomedica and I've got about £500 worth in this. I don't know how many shares exactly, but £500, let's say, roughly. So I've put a screenshot up because it probably helps if I actually show you exactly what I've done and I can actually see. So I've got 306 shares, about £500-ish in there, 550, and my average is $2.35, which is really good. My plan was, because their product's getting released on the 31st of March, as you can see on the screen, which is the Transformer product, then I think that's a good catalyst. We saw a massive run up, right? We saw a massive run up before the correction, and as you can see, we've been in a downwards spiral pretty much all the way down until the 10th of March. We ended up breaking above that bearish channel, and now we're starting to make higher highs, and that suggests it's bullish to me. I think we're going to start seeing an upwards trend. And also, if you look here, we went up about 140% since the last bull run, like going up loads on Zomedica. So I think we could see this again. I think we could smash past the all-time highs if the market's stable, and that's why I've drawn this green line, because I think from here, yeah, like I think we can start seeing big gains with Zomedica, if I'm honest. Obviously I could get it completely wrong, but I definitely think it's a good swing trade to beat the all-time highs, and if you were to do that, it's about 16% gain, but I think we're going to smash through the all-time highs, so this could be a good swing trade for you guys. I'm not completely suggesting this. I was a bit busy yesterday, so I couldn't really keep up with everything and make a video, but in pre-market it's up 10%, nearly 11%, and I saw this come in. And also, if you look at the daily on the MACD, it's going to cross, and that just shows there's a lot more upside to this stock. Obviously we're going to the overbought section, so that's a bit of not a great sign when we do get to there, but if you compare back to here, it's been in the overbought quite a lot and we're not there yet. So I think there's a lot more upside to this stock, and that's my plan with Zomedica. So they're my plays for today / the next few weeks with my swing trades, but I just want to note CCIV is a long-term hold, so don't count that as a swing trade. I just wanted to update you guys with what I bought yesterday because I thought it was a big position I ended up buying in CCIV. But yeah, keep an eye out for the mad money on CNBC. That'll be really good for CCIV stock. Very excited to see what happens with that today. I believe we're at $30 now in the pre-market last time I checked, which is really good as well. But yeah, they're the little updates I have done. I thought I'll share with you guys how I'm getting on. If you want me to do a Palantir video, I think I will do one in the next 2 days or tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Also, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys later.